Quick, quick, tell me something awful, like you are a poet trapped inside the body of a finance guy.